Hi guys, I'm just going to quickly show you how to use a double method again using a number line. So if I go over here, I'm going to choose a number. I might do 436. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is write the number down. I'll just move this out of the way. So now I've got I need to choose it. 436 is my key number. I'm going to draw my number line. Okay, I start with 436 over here. Then I'm going to be jumping using the strategy of the number line. The first thing I'm going to jump is my 400. Okay, now remember we're doubling the number, so we're adding the number to itself. So if I add the 400 there, I'm just changing this digit from 4 to 8. So now it's 836. The next thing I'm going to do is add the tens. There are 3 tens there. That's pretty simple because the tens doesn't change place value because 3 and 3 is 6, so 30 and 30 is 60. So that means if I'm adding 30, I can just go to 800, change the tens into 6 tens, and I have 6 ones. Now, this is the issue over here is that you've got 6 ones. 6 and 6 is 12. Okay, so you're going to go over the place value. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get to the nearest 10. 866. The nearest 10 is to get to 70 because 6 and 4 make 10. So 60 and 40 are going to make 100 and so forth. So if you remember those patterns, it will help. But we're just looking at the ones over here. So I'm going to add the 4 first to get 870. And then I'm going to add an extra 2 because 2 and 4 make 6. So now I've got 872 as my answer. Okay, so have a go yourself at doing that. I'll go back over here. Okay, what we're focusing on today is not too tricky. It's just being able to recall AM and PM. I'm also going to upload a video that's still downloading while I'm doing this, but on the slide before this, you'll see a short clip, and in this short clip, it will go on about, will show you AM and PM. Now, our day is broken up into different parts. The reason being is that we have 12 hours and 12 hours to make the 24 hours. The first point start of the day is the minute after midnight. So midnight is the middle of the night. This is when our day begins. Once the minute hand passes midnight, it's now morning time. Even though the sun's not up, sunshine and waking up doesn't just mean morning. Okay, you're going from 12 a.m. okay, all the way to 12 p.m. So a.m. in the midnight is what Mark said. So you usually see, or you always will see, that when it reaches 12 o'clock, the hour hand and the minute hand are both facing 12. Morning consists of the 12 hours between midnight and noon. So it starts at 12:01 a.m. and it finishes at 11:59 a.m. And then we start noon. Okay, and we start the afternoon or evening. There are 12 hours from midnight to noon, which is midday, and once the minute hand passes noon, we are now in the afternoon time. Afternoon begins from midday until 6:59 p.m. That's the afternoon. Okay, so you have the morning, then you have the afternoon till 5:59 p.m. Once it reaches 6 p.m., then it's night. And night goes from 6 p.m. until midnight. Okay, and you can see I've got the clocks there for you. So it's a 6 hour period for the afternoon over here and another 6 for the evening. So 6 and 6 is 12. And if we add the extra 12 from the morning, then you've got your 24 hours for the day. I'll put the clip here. It's not on yet, but I will put it up. All you have to do if you're doing the level 1 activity, I just want you to match the AM and PM to the actual task that this child is doing. So for example, if he's having breakfast, it's going to be AM because that's the morning part, but it probably won't be 11 a.m. because that's too late in the morning. I would probably think that he'll do it at 8 a.m. after he has his breakfast. If you are doing the level 1 part again, you just need to draw or write something that you do during these times. And if you are doing the next part, you have to drag the time according to the morning block and tell me an activity that occurs. So for example, at the 3:10 p.m. afternoon, I would have been finishing school. Okay, so I'll be getting ready to finish school and take you out to your parents to be picked up. So you can think about what you'll be